Hi, my name is Rebecca, and I'm just today showing you about how to use the Retract-A-Gate and how it's installed. As you can see, there are 4 simple brackets, top and bottom, evenly spaced. The wonderful thing about this is because of the molding at the top of the stairs, we were able to get extra spacers to have it equally distributed so it's completely even. Now to use the gate, I can demonstrate with something in my hand. Take the gate, clamps right like this. Then you would hit the locking mechanism, and 200 pounds of pressure would not get through this gate. So when my dog, who is blind from SARS recently, if he was to come up to this gate, it wouldn't hurt his face and he wouldn't be in any danger. It was simple to install. As I said about the brackets, see, can't open it because it's not unlocked. And not only the brackets, but you can purchase extra brackets, and the entire gate can come off of this bracket and attach to somewhere in the house. And as you can see, with limited space, it really makes a big difference to any gates that are out there. And I searched feverishly for days to find the best gate we could possibly find, made in the United States, and they stand 100% by their product. So I'm thrilled with it, and I couldn't be happier. Thank you very much.